When the cuckoo is calling over woodland and valley, and the tern and the swallow flies over our bay, then it's longing I'll be for the land of my father, where burn and black waters sweep down to Loch Ness. A home I'd have made in the land of the stranger, and it's many a long years since I've left Derry Cay. Still I dream of the Bloomin' and the glens of Aldila, where
Para que caiga mucho por aquí, tiene que salir por aquella cascada mucho.
This is my last journey, for my eyes they grow dim, my head's fast and the turn on the swamp.
Que no sé. Ese será del pueblo igual. To my native land, in the spring I would hear the cuckoos sing round Loch Ness, and I'll be there for the turn and the swallow, wherever and sweet down. In the land of my father, wherever and porque ahí para pasar, casi ahora no se puede pasar, O sea, que cae igual que hay más, ¿sabes? done by Blackwater's side. 'Twas gazing all around me was the Irish lad I spied all through the first part of that
this young man arose and gathered his clothes, saying, fare you well today. That's not the promise you gave to me when you first lay on my bed, and you made me believe with your lying tongue that the sun arose in the west. Then go home to your father's garden. Go home and weep your fill, and think upon your own misfortune that you brought with your wanton will. There's not one girl in this whole town as easily
Que la otra vez habían puesto ahí algo para que no saldría tan no creo que te caigas, ¿no? ¿De aquí? Ah, pues igual por la temperatura del agua.
to say goodbye. Take one last goodbye. There's no questions
¿Qué? ¿Dónde se ha ido para allá? Ah,
Chico eso, para sacar fotos, cuando le he visto que se llama fotos,
pues no sé. Después te he visto pues en aquella pasarela o así. En un sitio por ahí. Lo que no sé es por qué cae aquello allí.
Let friendship and honor unite and flourish on both sides. No sweetness senses can achieve which
Ya.
Sí, en la roca de esas has estado, ¿no?
no bright lights
¿Qué es eso?
energy. For honors the song of night, and love for unsacred right to love our people succeed. Let friendship and honor unite and flourish on both sides the tweed. Let virtue distinguish the brave, place riches in lowest decree. Think them poorest who can be a slave, them richest who dare to be free. Let the love of our land sacred rise to the love of our people succeed. Let friendship and honor unite and flourish on both sides the tweed. Let the love of our land sacred rise to the love of our people succeed. Let friendship and honor unite and flourish on both sides the tweed.